Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can change what appears behind you in a video meeting by replacing the background. When you are adjusting your audio and visual settings before a meeting begins, you can click the Background Effects button next to the camera and microphone buttons. In the Background Settings pane that then opens, scroll through the background choices and click to select your desired background. A small check mark will appear over your selection and you can preview the background when your video is turned on before entering the meeting. To add your own custom background, click the Add New link at the top of the pane, navigate to the image, click it to select it, and then click the Open button. In addition to replacing your background entirely, you can also select Blur to use your actual background, but blur it to make it unrecognizable. To remove any background you have added and return to your natural background, select the None or Not symbol within the pane. When you are done, click the Close button in the Background Settings pane. If your meeting has already started, or if you are in a video call, you can access the Background Settings pane by clicking the More Actions ellipsis in the Meeting Controls toolbar, and then selecting the Apply Background Effects command from the drop-down menu. Select your background, and then click the Preview button to see what the background will look like to others. When you're ready, you can then click the Apply button to apply the background.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.